Skills are the building blocks of Instructionally. Think of a skill as a topic or a domain of knowledge, like coding guidelines, testing standards, or API design. Each skill contains categories and instructions that tell your AI assistant exactly how you want things done. In this video, I'll walk you through creating your first skill from scratch, and then we'll test it by asking the AI to generate a real file for us. Let's start by opening your workspace. Click on Workspaces in the left sidebar, then select the workspace you want to add a skill to. Once inside your workspace, you'll see a sidebar with options like Skills, Workflows, Commands, and Resources. Click on Skills. You'll see any existing skills listed here. To create a new one, click the New Skill button. Give your skill a descriptive name. I'm going to call mine Coding Guidelines. You'll also see two important settings. Action type tells the AI when this skill applies. Options include code, review, test, debug, and others. Since this is about coding guidelines, I'll select code. Execution mode controls how the skill is triggered. Auto lets the AI decide when to use it based on your request. Always means it runs on every request. For most skills, auto works great. Add a description that explains what this skill covers. Something like standards for writing clean, maintainable code. This description helps you and your team understand the purpose of this skill at a glance. Now let's click Create Skill to save it. Now let's organize our skill with categories. Categories group related instructions together, making them easier to manage and understand. Click Add Category. I'll create one called Code Structure for rules about how we organize our code. And I'll add another called Error Handling for guidelines about managing errors. You can add as many categories as you need. Think about the main areas or topics within your skill and create a category for each one. Here's where the real value comes in. Let's add some actual instructions. Click on a category to expand it, then click Add Instruction. For my code structure category, I'll add wrap the main logic in an async function called main and call it at the bottom of the file. This is clear, actionable guidance that the AI can follow. Let me add another one. Add a descriptive comment at the top of each file explaining its purpose. Notice how specific this is. The more specific your instructions, the better the AI can follow them. For error handling, I'll add wrap async operations in try-catch blocks and log errors with console.error. And another, exit the process with code 1 when an unrecoverable error occurs. These are the kinds of standards that vary between teams, and now my AI knows exactly how my team does things. One important thing to know, skills have an enabled toggle. Only enabled skills are sent to your AI assistant. This lets you create draft skills or temporarily disable something without deleting it. Make sure your skill is toggled on when you're ready to use it. Now let's see this in action. I'll open up my IDE where I have Instructionally connected. Let's ask the AI to generate a file using our new skill. I'll type ion, create an index.js file with a main function that prints hello world. Watch what happens. The AI generates the file following our standards. It wraps the logic in an async main function. It adds a comment at the top explaining the file's purpose. It includes a try-catch block with console.error for error handling, and it calls main at the bottom of the file. This is exactly what we defined in our skill, now being applied automatically. Without Instructionally, the AI might have just written a simple console.log, but with our skill, it follows our team's conventions. One more thing, when you're done working, you can ask the AI to verify everything was done correctly. Just type ion. Let's wrap up. The AI will review the implementation end-to-end, checking that all your skill guidelines were followed. It's like having a final compliance check before you commit. If anything was missed, the AI will let you know. It also cleans up any session tracking annotations that were added to your files during the session. You might see comments like ion anchor in your code. Wrap-up removes all of those automatically, leaving your files clean and ready to commit. And that's how you create actionable AI instructions with skills. Your entire team can now follow the same standards, and the AI will help enforce them automatically. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to enhance this even further with workflows and resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.